At a press conference held on Friday, the president of the Nyotrap Achik National Movement, Lamprang Kharbani, appreciated the MDA government for taking up various long-pending issues of the state. Speaking to newspersons, Lamprang Kharbani said that the present government has been trying to resolve important issues such as the implementation of ILP in Meghalaya, the inclusion of the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, the relocation of residents of Sweepers Lane to other quarters, and the near completion of Crowborough Hotel in Shillong.
Kiba kani ka sokar MDA ka alam daw kurat sangma kung menteri rangba Mariawan hakabor hausnem sijar hausnem arhajar khatra kila simi garai po yung nabar thawan bandawa naka sokar pedeng ban pendrung no yaktin khasi batkaro po ka khanit ka pra jongkariti sijar jongkari India kum gret benreu khasi batkaro ngila dawa ya kanai da ki bun phau snam ka jingdawa kalong na ki seng balang na ka khasi author society la na ka takakas bat kiwai kane ka de jingdawa jong jak benreu khasi ka bala slam ba ya ka sarkar MDA kala priang hapok indrobar bandawa na ka sorpreng bat kane ka sa bat ka sarkar te podali haba phai sa jingdawa ya ka inar lan parmet lane ka tak ILP ka ba ka jala bro ka wei kla judawa na ka sokar na ka por sa ka por bat khamtam house nam arjar khatlai ha ka porlong chief minister Dr. Mukul Sangma na ka seng kongres ula kanshai ba om kam ya ka ILP bat ula ai da ka Meghalaya Residential Safety and Security Acts dai gene ka sarkar MDA haunai no pra jong stem ar haja ka khnai na alpol dangam bakala kala khot ye ka jinge song dorbar ka bakarpang bat ka ying dorbar barok ko we kala pediang ya karai pandawa na ka sorpreng ban pentrekam ya ka inar line permit anai ka ILP hang na ka jala me kale bat menta kadang sa bat ka sokar pedeng tai po mong badali.
On the issue of the proposed setting up of railway lines at Barnihad, the president of the HANM informed that the organization will always oppose the construction of railway lines at Barnihad until and unless the government comes up with a strong act to prevent influx in order to protect the indigenous people of the state.
Ai suwa sna suwa ki angi baklan ki banyada yakari bajabanto ki banyada naga jiwan rong kertlap jong ki mandari namar kumba kalong menta nimpadon ya ka an ka baklan ka banyada naga jing rong kertlap mandari pet nuksa menta nimpadon ka rawe nimpadon kal tirau Henry Jayu ya ka jat benreu ya ka jela ka juni u barjala u yo wan rong lai loj u barjala yo ya ke pamon te ngim kwa ba ka jingwan telep jong berjala kan jur lengba ka jingdon jong ka railway ne kal tira nomor wat menta bangim padoni railway katne ka jingjele jong ki parjala arangi phai haman la ki district jong jala me kalia tiladan ni don sa railway kat notam ka jingwan ki barjala te kum ka jat benre berkum ka seng H&M kam kwa ba kaleng tirel kan wan se ka jala jungi kat ba ngim padon ye ki angi ba klan ki pala mantel kam ye ka jirum kertlep jong ki menderi namangim kwa kum ka jat benre berkum ka seng ba ngim saklalong minority la ngim sakalong ritpat hala ka jong ka state hala ka jong ka jala bat ngita jukan syai berbo nadu por munsua hadu mentam nero ba ka H&M hi kam kwa ba jala Meghalaya kan kalong ka Tripura ka bar